In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize all your product images at once on the featured collection in Shopify. Now, whether you're new to Shopify or a seasoned user, managing the appearance of your online store is crucial to provide an appealing shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive in. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the site editor. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. This is where you can make all your design adjustments, and it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Your main objective here is to locate the featured collection block, which is often prominently displayed on your homepage. It showcases a selection of your products and is a great way to highlight best sellers, new arrivals, or any special promotions you might have. Once you click on the featured collection block, you'll notice that its settings will pop up on the right panel. This is where we'll make the adjustments. Look for the column slider among these settings. This tool is essentially your best friend when it comes to resizing product images within this block. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Let me explain how this works. The slider allows you to control the number of columns within your featured collection. As you increase the number of columns, you'll notice that the images of your products become smaller. Conversely, decrease the columns, and the images will expand to fill more space. This flexibility is fantastic because it lets you decide how many products you want to show at once and how large they will appear. Take a moment to decide what works best for your store's aesthetic and functionality. Do you want a more concise and minimal look, or are you aiming for a detailed display where the product visuals are the main attraction? Of course, your decision might also be influenced by how many products you want to display simultaneously without sacrificing the clarity and appeal of each individual image. After adjusting the slider to your liking, that's essentially all you need to do. It's really that straightforward. Just remember to click Save before navigating away from the editor to ensure your changes are applied and visible to your visitors. Adjusting these settings can greatly improve your site's visual appeal and user experience, making it easier for customers to navigate and engage with your products. Keep experimenting until you find the perfect balance that suits your store's unique needs. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to resize all your product images in the featured collection on Shopify. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!